We're on the roof of the brand new Confluence Field Station of the National Great Rivers Center. And we're located right next to the Mississippi River. So we'll be part of this, the Great Rivers Museum down there, and the bikeways and walkways, and part of the features here on the riverfront. Right here, we can study 3 different kinds of big rivers. And that's a unique opportunity. Practically everything you see here is part of a research project. For example, the grass roof is using native species, native prairie species. The most important way I could sum up what we're trying to do here is to link the natural systems, the environmental systems, to our economies, whether that's at a regional level or at the local level. And these great rivers provide services that we can see in the background. For example, you see the lock and dam, and most people realize that that's carrying freight. Less easy to comprehend is the value of the wetlands and the great floodplains around these rivers, and the fact that they provide important services to us. For example, if the river can flow into these areas, that helps reduce the flood crests that occur.
The most unique systems here in the building are water efficiency items. We are connected to no sewage system. We treat 100% of our sewage on site through some constructed wetlands, a secondary and tertiary wetland. We send that back to the building to be treated by UV treatment and chemical treatment, and then we store that water. We are shooting for LEED Platinum status. Basically, it's just a set of requirements regarding your site, your building, different materials you use in your building. All our materials are considered regional materials, which is another LEED criteria. Materials delivered within, are manufactured and delivered to us within a 500-mile radius of the site. We use the highest amount of recyclable materials everywhere we could. For example, what you see down in here in between these pavers is basically slag, which is a byproduct of power plant. We use the highest amount of fly ash within all our concrete. Our energy items here on site, we have plans for 2 wind turbines to be placed here on the banks of the river. They'll be bringing in roughly 40 to 50% of our full building load of power. We also have in design and discussions a hydrokinetic turbine station here with partnership with the Corps and connected onto the dam here. Basically, we'll have the capability of dropping 8 to 10 different hydrokinetic turbines into the water and verifying and reading those inside the building on what's pulling in more power. It'll be somewhat of a national test site for hydrokinetic turbines and getting them perfected for a low-flow river.